Hi everybody. This is another part of Autodoc video tutorials on replacing car parts. In this video, we will show how you can replace strut mount on Volkswagen Polo 4 on your own. See the description below to follow the links to our web store where you can buy the spare parts. Loosen the wheel mounting bolts. Remove the rear wheels. Support the lower control arm with a trolley jack. Use a socket No 16 and a combination spanner No 16. Unscrew the nut and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Use a socket No 16. Unscrew the upper fastener of the shock absorber. Use a socket No 16. Remove the shock absorber piston rod fastening. Remove the top strut mount. Install a new strut mount. Use a socket No 16. Screw the shock strut piston rod upper fastening. Place the shock absorber in the wheel arch and secure it. Use a socket No 16. Tighten the top shock absorber fastening. Use a socket No 16 and a combination spanner No 16. Tighten the nut fastening the shock absorber strut to the steering knuckle. Thank you for watching our video tutorials. Subscribe to Autodoc's channel and don't miss our new videos. If you enjoyed watching this one, click a thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.